Hello, in front of me I've got STK Life 9. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. And as you can see, this is the homepage of this app. From here you can add payment method and add different types of cards. If you tap here, you got access to all your payment methods, full list of participating banks, your full activity, and settings. In settings, you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and you can edit your account info. Then we've got contactless setup, which is unavailable on this phone because it doesn't have NFC, help and support, send feedback, and access to our Google account. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.